G'day YouTube, DownUnder Bricks here, and here is our Civil War airport battle. We've got a ton of Easter eggs in here, so let's get right into it. Here is Aussie's awesome airport. The whole thing's really come up a treat once we tiled it. We've got some stormtroopers going on a joyride. Superman's on a coffee break. Here's the billboards we made up. MOC. There's lots of stuff in here. There's another billboard. Crossbones hiding down there. Richard's here. Be a Richard, not a Dick. Let's just come back down here. All the troops making their way in. We got Falcon and Vision over at the hangar. I might get a bit closer to that, but we have got the Quinjet and Hawkeye, Black Panther, Winter Soldier battling it out. The Ghostbusters over there. TARDIS and Buzz. And there we have our scene with Scarlet Witch bringing the vehicles down on Iron Man. The Aussie's stuff, a billboard, and just sitting up there watching the show, having a burger, is Deadpool. And of course Batman's made the display in the back corner. Let me get over there. We got Hulk and Thor just chilling outside of Macca's. Let me get around so we can see Macca's. There we go. Spidey doing his thing. And just a look from the back side. Got the bus on fire. Batmobile even made an appearance. Alright, well I think that's about it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Got 2 public days now to show it, and then we'll be pulling it all apart. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.